Hey guys, welcome back to Two Chefs. Today is a very special day. It is Memorial Day, and we're super excited to show you guys one of our favorite recipes, grilled Mexican street corn. We just want to take a second to salute all the people that have served our country. Big thank you. So, here's to you.
We're making street corn.
We're gonna show you how to grill this, and then we'll put all the toppings on, all the good stuff after that.
All the fixins.
So how are we gonna start this corn out?
I'm gonna show you how you turn this into this. It's pretty sweet. Not only does this look absolutely beautiful, it has a great presentation, but it also serves a great purpose. You're gonna put so many amazing fixins all over this that this handle will help keep your hands clean. It also acts like a handle while you're cooking it on the grill so that you don't burn your hand. This is super great. Yeah. I'm gonna show you how to do that today. First step in getting your corn to look like this to this, remove one piece of husk. We'll use this to tie the ends when we're finished unraveling this. Then you're gonna pull down the husk pieces and then pull them all the way over, gently over the stalk area. Keep pulling it until you start getting close to the silk strands, which we don't want. So at this point, we still have our silk in here and then the few last pieces of husk that are holding all the silk fibers in. And now we're gonna tie this. You're gonna take that first husk piece we removed and just kind of make almost like a ribbon out of it. So now you've got this piece here. We're just gonna tie up the husk like so, as best you can. It is susceptible to tearing, so just be gentle. And now you have your handle. So now we're gonna go to this part and we're gonna finish peeling off the rest of the husk and the silk strands. So I'm just gonna pull these off at this point, hold everything tight, and then just rip it off. And I just kind of rip it at that base, not to interrupt this, what's happening here, to keep this all together, just to remove this stuff. And that's it. Ready for the grill.
I got this method. You gotta use tin foil to kind of protect the handles of the corn. I'm gonna show you how I put it on the grill. Works really good. You get a big piece of foil, fold it in half like that, and you lay it down right here. And this is how you put the corn on the grill. This way, the foil protects the handles from getting burnt off.
The corn is perfectly cooked and it's ready to roll. We got the corn off the grill, it's hot and ready, and we're gonna dress it now. Here's everything you're gonna need to make traditional elote. First, you'll need some butter, and we've got regular salted butter here, and also we have our chipotle butter that we made in a previous video. Here we have some aioli, but you can also use mayonnaise, crumbled cotija cheese, ancho chili powder, and then at the end, we'll squeeze some fresh limes on top. Here's how we make Mexican street corn. You're gonna rub it in your choice of butter. I'm gonna go ahead and do the spicy version. I'm just rubbing the corn on it. Then I'm gonna take a brush and I'm just gonna paint the corn with the aioli. And this step really helps to have the cheese adhere to the corn and it adds great flavor. So now that it's nicely coated, we're gonna sprinkle some cheese. And what I have set up here is a wire rack on top of a baking sheet, and this will help catch everything that falls off. And then we're we're gonna go in with the chili powder. And lastly, a squeeze of lime. And you're ready. It's unreal. It's sweet from the corn, it's sour from the lime, it's like rich in flavor from all of the cheese and the butter, spicy, it's everything you want. It's all the flavors. It's incredible. Yep, that's street corn.
All right, it's my turn. Get this butter on here. Oh, this aioli. You guys, we're gonna link that video for you for the aioli recipe right up there. I like lots of cheese. Spice it up. Those police out there, man. Check that out. Oh, so good. There you have it, grilled Mexican street corn.
Guaranteed, if you make this at any like barbecue or outdoor party, pool party, everyone is gonna love you. And they're all gonna be like, oh my gosh, you're the best cook ever. Telling you.
Yeah.
Trust.
Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe.
Share if you want to share this recipe with your friends and family so that they can make it for you instead.
Please do. We appreciate you guys and have fun grilling and be safe out there. Happy Memorial Day.